This part of the bulletin is brought to you by Gautam Bali Makeup Studio and Academy, Sector 1, Chanihima, Jammu. Good evening all, you're watching the news now and I am Bindya with the news at 5. Let's have a look at the headlines first. Prime Minister Modi reached America, calls the Indian diaspora as nation's strength. LG pays tribute to Maharaja Hari Singh, recalls him for his distinguishable reforms. LG J&K flags off CRPF Samuh Kendra cycle rally, terms Gandhian philosophy to be relevant till date. Newly recruited militant neutralized, 1 pistol and ammunition recovered. And Australian camp worried, no clarification on Marcus Stoinis injury. And now the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi reached America on his 3-day visit to address the United Nations General Assembly amid a warm welcome by the officials of the US Foreign Ministry. Indian ambassador to the US Taranjit Singh Sandhu received him at the airport. In this visit, Prime Minister Modi will be holding a meeting with the leaders of the Quad countries. Apart from this, PM Modi will also hold bilateral talks with US President Joe Biden. Earlier, while aboard, PM Modi shared how good it is to go through your work in a long flight and tweeted an image with a caption. He also met the Indian diaspora at the airport with affection and said that he is grateful to the Indian community in Washington, D.C. for the warm welcome. He added by saying that our diaspora is our strength. It is commendable how the Indian diaspora has distinguished itself across the world. Losing the Chief Minister's chair, Captain Amrinder Singh opens up against Congress attitude by calling Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Vadra inexperienced. Along with this, Amrinder Singh said that if Congress makes Sidhu the Chief Minister face in the upcoming elections, he will make sure to stop this happen. The CM warned of fielding a strong candidate against Sidhu. The dispute between Sidhu and the captain will have a direct impact on the power of the Congress in Punjab. The Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir today greeted people of the UT on the 126th birth anniversary of Maharaja Hari Singh. While paying tributes to Maharaja Hari Singh, he talked about his immense contribution to Indian freedom movement. He further added that Maharaja's distinguishable and unmatchable services in the field of education, agriculture, administrative, social and economic reforms will always be remembered. Raising the consciousness of peace and harmony in yet another episode of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, a cycle rally by the Central Reserve Police Force Jammu and Kashmir was launched today by the Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir. 4 cycle rallies of CRPF from Jammu, Jorhat, Sabarmati and Kanyakumari will pass through different parts of the country to reach Rajghat on October 2nd to pay homage to Father of the Nation. Addressing on the occasion, the Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha said that Gandhiji's principles are relevant even after 75 years and appealed to the people to adopt his message of peace and harmony.
आपके प्रयास पूरे देश में मानव सेवा, जन सुरक्षा और अच्छे कर्मों की भावना जन जन तक पहुंचाएंगे। साथियों, बापू के विचार सभी राष्ट्र, समाज और पंथ के लिए उतने ही प्रासंगिक हैं आज भी जितने 75 साल पहले थे। सामाजिक आर्थिक विकास, आतंकवाद, विश्व शांति, शैक्षिक चिंतन या जीवन के हर एक पहलू को महात्मा गांधी जी ने एक नया दृष्टिकोण दिया था। आज ये विचारणीय प्रश्न है कि गांधी जी जिस प्रकार के व्यक्तित्व और समाज का निर्माण करना चाहते थे, क्या वैसा संभव हो पाया? सामुदायिक विकास एवं समुदाय के विभिन्न वर्गों के बीच जिस प्रेम और मोहब्बत की और सम्मान की संकल्पना बापू ने की थी, क्या वो हम पूरा कर पाए? आजादी का अमृत महोत्सव हमें पीछे मुड़कर इन सब बातों पर आत्मचिंतन करने का एक अवसर देता है।
While celebrating the 126th birth anniversary of Maharaja Hari Singh today, various political and social organizations reached Tavi Bridge to pay tributes to the Maharaja's statue and reiterated the demand for public holiday on the last Dogra Maharaja's birthday. Members of several organizations reached Tavi Bridge, where a statue of Maharaja is installed. They garlanded the statue as a mark of respect. The BJP leaders also organized a function to pay tributes to Maharaja. In his address, BJP J&K President Ravinder Rana said it was due to Maharaja that J&K became a part of India when he signed the Instrument of Accession on 26 October 1947. J&K Congress also paid tributes to Maharaja.
आज इस पावन दिन की बधाई देता हूं और आशा करता हूं कि इसी प्रकार हम आगे मेहनत करेंगे और जो महाराजा हरि सिंह बहादुर ने जिस जम्मू कश्मीर का विलय भारत में किया था, वो आज का जम्मू कश्मीर से बड़ा जम्मू कश्मीर है। उसमें गिलगित बल्टिस्तान है, अक्साई चिन है, शक्सम वैली है, उसमें मीरपुर, कोटली, भिम्बर, बाग, पलंदरी, देवा, बटाला, नीलम वैली है। ये सब भारत के क्षेत्र हैं और आज पाकिस्तान के नाजायज कब्जे में जो भाग जम्मू कश्मीर का है, वो महाराजा हरि सिंह जी ने उसका विलय भी भारत के साथ किया है। वो हमारा क्षेत्र है। आज नहीं तो कल हम उस क्षेत्र के अंदर भी तिरंगा झंडा फहराकर।
Srinagar police today confirmed that a newly recruited militant was killed in a brief gunfight in Keshu-Citragam area of South Kashmir's Shopian district and was also responsible for injuring a civilian by firing upon him in Citragam yesterday. In a statement, the police said that last night, recently active militant who was earlier an overground worker also involved in drugs, namely Anayat Ashraf Dar, Keshu Shopian, fired upon a civilian, Jeevar Hamid Butt, who got seriously injured and is still hospitalized. In a surprise attempt, the former J&K Bank chairman Parvez Ahmed Nehru today joined the Jammu and Kashmir People's Conference in Srinagar. Nehru was welcomed into the party fold by its chairman Sajjad Lone at Srinagar today. Several party leaders including Nazir Ahmed Lave, Abdul Ghani Wakil, Khurshid Alam M. Soharwardi, Yasir Rishi and several others were also present on the occasion. Moving on to the Bollywood, the teaser of Taapsee Pannu starrer film Rashmi Rocket has been released. Taapsee Pannu has released the teaser of the film on Twitter. In this video, Taapsee has shared a glimpse of the film with the fans. While sharing the video, Taapsee said that the trailer of the film will be released today at 6:30 p.m. Sharing the video, she wrote, "The get set is done, now it is just to go." The film will be released on OTT platform Z5. The actress will be seen as an athlete in this mill. From across the world of sports, Australian all-rounder Marcus Stoinis got injured in the match against Sunrisers Hyderabad. Stoinis' injury has raised concerns for the Australian camp now. Cricket Australia is waiting for an update on Stoinis' injury. The situation is not clear whether Stoinis will be seen playing again in the 14th season of IPL. Seriousness of Stoinis' injury will be known only after the scan reports come. Since the T20 World Cup, it is to be played in the UAE only after a month. The Australian team is worrisome as he is a very important player of Australia T20 World Cup plan. And that's all in this news bulletin. For latest update and more news, stay tuned with TNN Web and keep reading the e-print and daily newspaper of the News Now. Jai Hind.